Guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be working on my 2012 Mustang instead of the 68. I got to do an oil change. I got it up on ramps, and let me show you why. If you look down here, let me move this cover out of the way. This is a cover for the oil filter, but if I move it out of the way, you're going to see here on the frame, you got those three ridges, I guess you could call it, on the frame, the bumpy part right here. And that's where you could jack up the car, so you could put on some jack stands. But even though I got a low profile jack, it doesn't reach, so I had to put it on the wheel ramps. I'm draining the oil. It's a size 15 to take off the oil plug. And here for the oil filter, there's three of these small bolts. They're 8mm. You take them all off and should get access to your oil filter right here. So let me start taking that off. Here's another trick I picked up from YouTube. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess, or if I can even take it off with my hand, because I don't know how tight it's on there. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna go for backup. Let's see if I can even get in there. Okay, not too bad. Oh yeah. Yep. Pretty clean, pretty clean. The best way to put on the new filter is just use the oil to kind of lubricate the rubber here, and then fill this halfway, just so you don't spill it on trying to put it up. If you fill it all the way, it's going to spill because it's at an angle. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I got it filled around halfway, and I lubricated it a bit. Crap. That's what I get. Alright. Alright. Try not to drop it. The top is a little bit wet, that's why. Puddled up a little bit, but hopefully that cleaned it up. Try to get it up there without making a mess. Alright, that's pretty tight with my hand. I am left-handed, so I'll do it with that hand, because this is, I guess, my weak arm. Ugh. Let me flip around. Alright, that should be reasonable. Not too tight, but enough that it won't come loose while I'm driving. Alright, and back here looks like it's pretty much done. Just getting drops now, so I'm gonna cover it back up, tighten it back up with the bolt.
not too tight, but I got it snug, and then gave it a total of hopefully around a fourth of a turn. Not even that, I don't think, but it's nice and tight now. It's not dripping. Alright, so here's what came out for the Mustang. It was about 5 quarts here and 2.5. And I say maybe a little less than 2.5, but around 2.5, so 7.5. Here's what was with the filter in the bag. So that's not really a lot, so I'd say maybe 2.5, if that. So I'm gonna put 2.5 quarts. And for a total of 7.5, I put 5 already, so I'm gonna do the rest. Alright, it's about 2.5 there, so that should be good. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit a couple minutes so it can drop down, and then I'll turn it on. I already put like 5 quarts that have been sitting in there like 10 minutes, so we should be good to start it up, but I'm just letting the rest go down. Be right back. Alright, we're gonna turn it on, see how it goes. Should be good though. Check under the car for leaks.
good under. Alright, I gotta take off the oil change required, so I'm not sure how to reset it. I gotta look it up. I've never done it on this car. Oil pressure looks good. I mean, everything looks good except I gotta reset it, so I don't know how. I'm pressing every button here, but I just gotta Google it. Oh, maybe reset down here. It says up or down. MPG, nope. That's not it. Oh, here we go. Hold the reset for new. Alright. That should be good. So I use these buttons here. I did setup till it told me to hold reset for the oil, and then it switched it, so there we go. And then I used info to change the information that displays there. So I'd rather have it showing me how much gas and miles I have. So alright, that should be it. Alright, so that does it for this video. On the next video, I'll be back in the 68. I just had to get this oil change done, and it's been raining, but I'll get back to the 68. I really can't wait to do that. So thank you for being here, and hope to see you again.